Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nausheen here. Today I will be showing you guys how to create this sunset look. I hope you guys would love it. If you would like to know how do I create this look, then just stick around. For this look, I'm using Carnival 3 Be Perfect Cosmetics palette using orange shade by the name of Blaze with the help of my mauve brush, and I'm trying to make a circle on my lid area. Slowly and gradually I'm building up the color, initially using the small amount of color and building it up slowly. So in this way you can have a smooth application of your eye shade. Now I'll switch to my crease blending brush, which is Sigma E25, and I'm gonna try to diffuse my edges by back and forth motion and circular motion as well. And now I'm using another shade by the name of Sundown by using my Sigma pencil brush E30, and I'm trying to apply the color right above the previous shade. At the same time, I'm trying to blur the edges. But I feel my color become a little bit light, so I need to make it dark. So I'm applying once more time with the help of my pencil brush. This is what I do. When I feel the color is getting light, I always go back and apply it once more time. For blending, I'm gonna use my Sigma E35. It's a big fluffy blending brush. All you have to do is just to keep your hands light. Keep applying the color slowly and gradually until you feel happy with the shade. Here I'm using free motions, back and forth motion and circular motion as well. Guys, please ignore my funny faces. My goodness, I'm making funny faces. Now I will be using a third shade which should be lighter, so I choose yellow. With the help of my big fluffy brush, I like this brush for my brows area especially. I like to apply the color with this brush because it deposits the color so nicely. After applying the color, I'll switch back to my Sigma E35 blending brush and will try to diffuse my edges further. And now I'll switch back to my flat brush by using the same first shade, Blaze, and reapply on my lid area. By using a precise brush, I'll apply black shade by the name of Black Peach. Black color gonna intensify your look and it's gonna sharpen your edges, outer and inner corner, so just be careful when you're applying it. I'm taking Vaseline to clear up my lid area. You can use either Vaseline or your makeup remover. Whatever is easy for you, you can apply that. Now I'm cutting my halo by using concealer. I'm applying the concealer in a tapping motion and slice it up. By taking my flat brush using the same first shade Blaze and applying it in a zigzag and tapping motion to blend the shadow out. We'll add some yellow color. Use the same motion, tap 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 or zigzag to blend it out. And now again I'm taking my precise brush and taking black shade. Actually I'm trying to retouch my inner and outer corner to just make the look more defined. And now I'm taking a shimmer shade which is vanilla by using a flat brush. Applying in the middle and I'm using a really light hand. Taking the liner brush and I'm using the same shade vanilla. Retouch the colors so you won't lose any color. I took shimmer shade vanilla to highlight my brow bone. And now for the lower lash line, I'm using the same black color which I applied before for the inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna connect it to the upper part by using tapping motion and back and forth motion. I'm trying to blend it out. Taking the same first shade Blaze and try to blend it out with black color. Now taking yellow and applying the same way. By using Sigma E40, I'm blending all the shadows out. Using black pencil for my waterline. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm using NYX Glam Liner and I would like to add some glitter on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm using some glitter on my crease as well. Once more time, I'll retouch my brows highlighter. I have already my lashes on. Now let's apply some mascara on the upper lash line and lower lash line. Oops, I forgot to show you, this is from Flormar. To apply mascara, this is the final look. I hope you like the look. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.